Hello guys, welcome to Chess Lovers. Guys, yesterday I was not able to make a video due to some reason on the second game between Chess Lovers and Chessers. So today I decided to make a video on that game. So without wasting your time, let's see the game. So guys, it is a second match between Chess Lovers versus Chessers, and from Chess Lovers Omna Zone 06 and from Chessers Bracket, that is BKAB is playing, and Omnazome have white pieces and a bracket have black. So let's see the game. Guys, here white start the game with king pawn opening e5, black reply with e5, then knight to f3, knight to c6, bishop to b5, initiating the Royal Lopez opening, then a6, kicking back that bishop, bishop to a4, then knight to f6, white castles, then bishop to e7, black is also preparing for castle, then rook to e1, then attacking that bishop, that is b5, then bishop to b3. Now black done his castle. Guys, it is a theory game, both players are developing their pieces. Now here white play c3, black plays d6, d4. Maybe Omnazone try to open some center lines. Then bishop to g4, pinning that f3 square knight. Then here white play d5, attacking that c5 c6 square knight. And here black play knight b to d8. Yeah, I think it is a very bad square for knight. It is original square for his knight, but let's see. Here white play h3, kicking that bishop. Then bishop captures f3, queen captures f3, knight b to d7, reshuffling of knights. Then here white play bishop to e3, black plays knight to e8. Maybe you can see that from some moves black is only move his both knights. I don't know what he planned. And here white play knight to d2, then bishop to g5, black offers the bishop exchange. Here rook a to c1, maybe he is trying to planning any attack in c file. Now here black play bishop captures e3. Now rook captures e3, knight to c5, maybe he is trying to attacking that b3 square bishop. Then c4, maybe white wants to open some lines. Now here black play d4. Now game is compact for both players. Here white play bishop to c2. Now black plays a5. Black's pawn are very aggressive. Now white play knight to b3, maybe he is offer the knight exchanges. Now knight captures b3, then a captures b3. Now the double pawns in b file, maybe headache for the white. Now here black play knight to f6. Now rook c to e1. Now here white make the battery of his rook in e file. Here knight to d7, then queen to g4. Maybe white is planning for rook to g3. Let's see here, knight to c5. Now okay, it is a rook to g3. Now it is a checkmate threat at g7 square, and here black play queen to g7, preventing that checkmating threat. Now rook e to e3, then here g6. Now rook e to f3, attacking that queen, then queen to g7, then h4. Here a4, black tries to exchange the pawns, and here white play b captures a4, and black play knight captures a4, then bishop captures a4, and it is rook captures a4. Okay, here pieces are exchanged at a4 square. Now it is white move, white play b3, attacking that rook. Now rook to a1 check. Now here white save his rook at king to h2, the only square left for the king. Now king to h6, maybe he's trying to do something attack in h file. Now here queen to g5. Now white offers the queen exchange, black accepts the queen exchange, queen captures g5. Now h captures g5. Here black play rook f to a8. Maybe he is trying to place the both rooks in first rank or second rank. Now it is white's move, he play rook to d3. Now rook to e1, attacking that e4 pawn. Now rook g to e3, offers the rook exchange. Here black reject the rook exchange and play with rook to f1. Now king to g3, then rook a to a1. Now it is a dangerous position for white. Both rooks of black are in a first rank. Now here white play rook to f3. Now rook f to c1, rook f to e3, now rook to c2, then rook to f3, rook a to c1. Both players simultaneous moving his rook, and nothing is happening in the game. Game is in an equal position. At this point no one is in any kind of advantage. Now it is the 39th move of the game. Rook f to e3, king to f8. Maybe black tries to centralize his king. Now it is white's move, white play king to f3, then king to e7. Both players moving his queens. Now rook to e2, rook to c3. White offers the rook exchange, but black declined the rook exchange, and he move his rook to c3, and he offers the rook exchange. And now here rook e to e3, then queen to d8, queen to a2, queen to c8, then g3, rook captures d3. Finally, after a long time of period, rook exchanges are done. Now here rook captures d3, then queen to b7. Now here queen to d2, attacking that rook. From here black play rook to f1, attacking that pawn. Then king play king to e2, then rook to b1, then king to d2, king to b6. It is a long game. And king to c2, rook to f1. Both players moving only rooks and king. Now here it is the 50th move of game. Rook to f3, king to c5, then rook captures f7. Okay, now here's white captures the black pawn, rook captures f7. Now queen to d4. Maybe he's trying to do something attack. Now here white play rook to f3, then king captures e4. Okay, black is also captures the pawn and attacking that f3 square rook. Now here white play rook to e3 check, king to d4, then rook to d3 check, king to c5, and now rook to f3. Maybe he's trying to place his rook in a 7th rank. Now here black play e4, attacking that rook. Okay, now rook to f4, attacking that pawn. Here black plays e3. Now f captures e3, then rook captures f4. Now pawn captures f4. Okay, both rooks are out from the board. Now only pawns are there. So if you count the pawns, then black have 3 to 5 pawns and white have 6 pawns. Okay, then white is in advantage of a pawn. Now here it is black move king to b6, then king to d3, king to b7, e4, king to c8. Now white is in a advantage, and white is easily able to win the game. Now here it is 16th move of game. Here white play f5, then g captures f5, e captures f5, then d7, now f6, then queen to e8, then c5. Okay, now here king to f7, c captures d6, c captures d6, now king to c4, h6, g captures h6, king captures f6, king captures d4. Okay, now you can see the white is in a lead. White have 3 pawns, and against the 3 pawns black have only single pawn. Now black is helpless. Here black play king to g6, then king to c4, now king captures h6, then b4, king to g6, then king to b5, king to f6, king to c6, king to e7, then b5, then king to f6, then king captures f6. Okay, now here black is completely helpless. Now nothing is in a black's hand. Game is one-sided. White is winning the game. Here black play king to f7, then b6. So guys, it is the 75th move of the game, and at this point the black is timeout, and Omnazome is win the game. So guys, this is a second match, and the second match is also win by the chess lovers. Then it is the second winning of the chess lovers. Now the scoreboard is 2-0. Continuous 2 matches are win by chess lovers, and the chess lovers no chess lovers doesn't win any game. And so guys, if you like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And guys, if you want to play a live chess with chess lovers, then join our telegram channel at the rate chess lovers 9702. Link is in a description. Thanks for watching the video.